Russian Federation armed forces continue launching attacks at military facilities located in Ukraine. Russian Defense Ministry spokesperson Igor Konashenkov reported that the high-precision attack launched by the Russian aerospace forces have resulted in elimination of 5 armament and munition depots near Kharkov, Zelenodolsk, Dnipropetrovsk region, as well as near Seversk and Bakhmut, Donetsk People's Republic. Armed forces of Ukraine manpower and military equipment in 34 areas. Within the counter-battle warfare, high-precision attacks launched by the Russian aerospace forces have resulted in neutralization of 2 Uragan and Grad multiple rocket launcher system platoons near Svetsloyarskoye, Adeyevka, and as well as 2 Gatsy B artillery platoons near Adeyevka, Donetsk People's Republic. Operational, tactical, and army aviation, missiles, troops, and artillery have neutralized 39 command posts, as well as manpower and military equipment in 218 areas. Operational, tactical, army aviation of Russian aerospace forces had shot down 2 Su-25 airplanes of Ukrainian armed forces near Sirikoye, Dnipropetrovsk region, and Arkhangelskoye, Kherson region, 1 BUKMI self-propelled air defense system at its firing position near Odessa and radar of S-300 air defense system near Slavgorod, Dnipropetrovsk region. Russian air defense means shot down 1 Su-27 airplane of Ukrainian armed forces near Sofievka, Donetsk People's Republic, as well as 9 Ukrainian unmanned area vehicles near Berestovoye, Petrovenki, Donetsk People's Republic, Zonsteva, Bakhyar, Genmatovka, Ivankovka, Peremoga, Kharkov region. 5 projectiles launched by the multiple rocket launcher system have been intercepted near Stakhanov, Lugansk People's Republic, over the Snake Island. In total, 224 aeroplanes and 135 helicopters, 1,400 unmanned area vehicles, 353 anti-aircraft missile systems, 3,859 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 698 combat vehicles equipped with multiple rocket launcher system, 3,059 field artillery cannons and mortars, as well as 3,916 units of special military equipment have been destroyed during the special military operation. On the other hand, Ukraine also reported the Russian losses updated on 127th day. Russia lost 217 aircraft, 185 helicopters, 1,537 tanks and anti-aircraft warfare system, 246 multiple launching rocket system, 2,602 vehicles, fuel tanks, and 636 unmanned area vehicles and 14 boats.